Hi, it's Larry Gaines, Power Cycle Trading. And the last video I did, I went through a swing trade that I put on for Apple, and it was based on our Power Cycle trading model that we use for all of our day trading and swing trading and longer term investments. So using this trading model, I had set up a swing trade position on Apple. I love Apple to trade when it has breakouts. They're really good up or down. So based on our model, I was looking at Apple to move higher into the week. We had a short week. You can see that we had a nice hard down day on Tuesday. So right at the end of the day, I bought instead of buying shares of Apple at around 440.50, I ended up putting on a weekly option call spread or bull call spread using weekly options. So it would be basically 4 days until expiration, so it's going to be accelerated time decay. So what I like to do on these trades, I like to do what is called either a call ratio spread or a call with a kind of a ladder spread. So I'll buy, on this particular trade, I bought the 440 calls, and I initially sold the 455 calls above and the 460 calls above that. So I had two, it's kind of a ladder, so I had a $15 spread from the 440 calls that I bought, and then I sold an extra leg at 460. And the reason you do that, or the reason I like to do that, is to take advantage of the accelerated time decay, or theta, eating away on your options. So you want to sell additional premium when I do these type of trades. So I initially had on a $15 spread. My cost on that was, let's see what that was. It was, one second here. The initial cost on that was $540 per contract, and that was on a $15 spread or a $1,500 spread. So based on that, it was a $15 wide spread. My cost was $540. So the maximum I potentially could make if this thing closed above that 455 at expiration would be $960. Now I also sold the 460 calls against it, and I collected 62 cents there, so I reduced my cost by 60 cents additional from that to take advantage of selling more premium. Now on the next day here, which was the 29th, the market broke back to the upside, so it was looking like it was going to break out and fall through. So when we settled back down in here and went sideways, I bought back in the 455 calls. I took those off, and I made around 60 cents per contract on that, and then I immediately sold the 450 calls against it. So I tightened up the spread to make it a $10 spread. So ended up with that spread on for about $5. So my maximum profit on a $10 spread then would be $5 or $500 per contract. So it just reduced my risk going forward, which I kind of wanted to do on this particular trade. You can see the next day it opened up, nice momentum to the upside based on my penny analysis using option open interest and call volume. It looked to me that the Apple had a good strong chance to go to 455 to 460. So what I did was I bought back in the on that day I bought back in actually the 455 calls, and replaced those with the 450. Left those on, and you can see the next day on Friday I closed this thing out the first hour and almost got the high. It went up to 457.10. I closed it out here about 456 when the stock was trading about 456. So all in all, when I add all the additional legs that I had based on selling additional premium, I made about $460 a contract, and that was roughly about close to 90% return on my capital. So if you'd like to learn more about how we use weekly options to swing trade and how we use our swing trade model and methodology, come join me at powercycletrading.com. Now also we have some really great courses that will teach you how to use weekly options, teach you how to swing trade, teach you how to day trade, and right now I'm having a special, and let me show you a little bit about that. I'm having a Power Expo where I'm having a number of very great expert speakers on various trading topics and accounting and also psychology of trading. And during this expo, I'm offering a 25% discount off of all my products at Power Cycle Trading. So if you're interested in any of our boot camps that we've put on that come with our trading model and lots of content and videos, you can take advantage of it now by getting 25% off. So just go to Power Cycle Trading, pick the course that you want, and put in this coupon code when you check out to buy, EXPO25, EXPO25, and take advantage of this great sale while it lasts. So you basically pretty much get my boot camp right now for $597, and it comes with some fantastic material and videos on how we trade using our model, which you'll learn to use, and also in-depth teaching and trading analysis and strategies and examples of weekly options and how to use the various strategies if you decide to go with that course. So good luck trading, and I'll talk to you on our next video.